Is your Windows PC slow, crashing, or filled up with pop-ups? It's probably infected with viruses or malware. But don't worry, in this video I will show you the step-by-step method to remove any virus or malware from Windows 11 and Windows 10 and make your PC run like new again. First, click Start. Go to Settings. Then select System. Then Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will reboot into recovery mode. Now go to Troubleshoot. Next, Advanced Options. Then Startup Settings. And click Restart. After restarting, press F5 to select Save Mode with Networking. Now here press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. Type MRT and hit Enter. Save Mode disable unnecessary programs, background services and third-party applications, preventing malware from running in the background and interfering with scans. This allows the malicious software removal tool to focus entirely on detecting and eliminating threats without obstructions, making the quick scan for more effective in identifying hidden malware that might evade detection in normal mode. The Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool Windows will open. Click Next to proceed. And now you will be getting three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan and Customized Scan. The Quick Scan provides an efficient way to check for common malware. But if deeper issues are suspected, a full scan is recommended to ensure complete system safety. Now here, click on Quick Scan. Click Next and let the scan complete. And that's it. I hope your problem will be solved. If not, then try the second method. First, press Windows plus S and type CMD and select Run as Administrator. Now click on Yes. Now let's check for hidden viruses in a drive. So type this command: ATTRIB space -H space -R space -S space /S space /D space C:\\asterisk and press enter. This reveals all hidden read-only and system files. Replace C drive with your infected drive if needed. Next, find suspicious files. You can manually delete them or use this command: delete space /F space /S space /Q space C:\virus.exe. Replace virus.exe with the actual infected file name. You can see that no virus is found because I have already deleted the files. Now scan and repair your system by using this command: DISM space /cleanup image space /online space /restore health and hit enter. Wait for it to complete. This may take some time. This command repairs corrupted or missing system files, improving system stability and performance. It's useful for fixing errors and issues, especially when other troubleshooting methods fail. And that's it. Your PC is now virus free using just CMD. Now let's use Windows Defender, which is built into Windows 11 to scan for and remove threats. First, open Windows Security. Press Windows plus S. Type Windows Security and click on it. Now go to Virus and Threat Protection and click Quick Scan. This will check the most common infection points on your PC. If any threats are found, Windows Defender will show an alert. Click Start Action to remove them. And that's it. Your PC is now virus free. Keep Windows Defender updated and scan regularly for protection. Did you know malware can hide in suspicious apps and browser extensions? So let's remove them and speed up your PC. First, press Windows plus R. Type appwiz.cpl and hit enter. This opens programs and features. Look for unknown or recently installed suspicious apps. If you see something strange, then right-click it and select uninstall. Now let's check your browser. Open Chrome or Edge. Then go to 3 dot and click on extensions. If you see anything suspicious, click remove to delete it. And that's it. Removing unwanted apps and extensions can protect your PC from malware. Run regular checks to stay safe. Some malware is too stubborn from Windows Defender. To fully clean your PC, let's use Malwarebytes, one of the best antivirus tools available for free. So first, open your browser and go to malwarebytes.com. Click download free and install it like any other software. Once installed, open Malwarebytes and click Scan Now. This will check your entire system for viruses, spyware and hidden threats. If Malwarebytes detects malware, click Quarantine to isolate and remove them. After cleaning, restart your PC to apply the changes. Your PC should now be malware free. For extra safety, run a scan weekly. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tech fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.